Hi everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here with ARES Tools. Today we're going to be demonstrating our 12111 ARES 3-piece ball joint socket set. This set is a necessity when trying to remove or install threaded-on ball joints commonly found on Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles. The ARES 3-piece ball joint set includes both sizes of specialty sockets needed for the two types of threaded-in ball joints found in the market. There's the 1 in 59/64 and the 2 in 9/64. The socket profile is a very specific rounded corner design that perfectly fits these type of ball joints. These heavy-duty sockets are made from premium-grade chrome vanadium steel with a durable black phosphate finish and feature a 3/4 square drive for each socket. They are able to be used on standard drive tools and/or impact wrenches. However, take caution when using an impact wrench on a ball joint, as you don't want to damage the control arm or cross-thread the ball joint. Why is this 3-piece set when there are only 2 specialty sockets, you ask? The ARES 3-piece set also comes with the 1/2 inch to 3/4 male adapter, so you can use your standard 1/2 inch drive tools with these sockets as well without having to be inconvenienced for searching or having to buy an adapter. Let's face it, not everyone has the 3/4 drive ratchet or flex handle ready to go. At ARES, we have thought of everything to make your job easier. So let's put these tools to work and show exactly how they are used. To demonstrate this application, we have mocked up an upper control arm from a '79 Dodge Magnum. You will notice the ball joint has the unique round corner square top type broaching on the back of the ball joint, which only these specialty sockets will fit. Simply grab the socket that matches the size, and as you can see, that one's too small. This one fits nice and square on there. You want to make sure you're square. Once you've checked to fit, many of the ball joints have a tight fit, especially on older model cars where the control arm has a lot of dirt and corrosion. You can line up the ball joint and give it a few taps with a soft hammer to make sure that it's getting seated there, and make sure you're square on the ball joint, and then you can go ahead and start installing it. You can tell by the feel, and it's starting to drop down in there, that you've got it in there the way it should be. For ball joint removal, the process is simply reversed. Be sure to clean the area well so that the socket can set square. Remember, many ball joints can be rusted or seized. You may have to use the 3/4 drive tool to have enough leverage to remove a stuck ball joint. You can use penetrating oil if necessary. Also, some ball joints may have a spot weld holding them in place that you'll need to break that weld too before starting to wrench on it. When removing a ball joint, be sure to stay square on the ball joint assembly. And there you have it, the ARES 12111 3-piece ball joint socket set. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.